Hey Witch, welcome back to my channel. And I know what you're thinking, Matt, why do you look like a gay librarian in the 70s? And my rebuttal to that is the best questions oftentimes do not have good answers. But today, Salem is joining me, and we are talking about I guess I'm talking about how to make intention oils. This is my most highly requested video of all time. Ever since I posted my first photo of me making my Zodiac Intention Oils, what is this? I don't know. About 2.5, 3 years ago on my Instagram, um, people have been asking me how I make them, why I make them, what you use them for, all of that juicy stuff. So I thought, why not just make a video about it? Because that would be so much easier than direct messaging everyone back. But today, that's what we're doing. We just had the full blue moon on Halloween last night. Today is November 1st. Not when I'm posting it though, probably. But yeah, let's stop blabbering like always and just get right into the process. Bloop! So, first of all, you always want to start out with your proper research. Here are some of my favorite books that I use. Cunningham's Encyclopedia of Magical Herbs is an obvious choice. Also, the Master Book of Herbalism, fancy, fancy. Just going through, researching different correspondences, the traditional lore of the plants, and those are how I make my decisions on what plants to use in my blends. Also, of course, making sure they are skin safe. That is very important. Sassy. I do like to cross-reference the plants that I use, so I don't just research from one book. I like to get it from many sources. That way I know it's valid. But now we are ready to begin. Here is my spooky setup. These bottles are available on my Etsy if you want to make your own blend. I'm making a health and vitality oil, and I start out with citrus oils because when you think of citrus, I think of health, vitamin C, all that good stuff. Drink your orange juice. Rose hips are full of vitamin C, so I chose that to be in the blend. Divine Feminine. Bay Laurel, great for victory and overcoming, so Sunflower, also great for vitality and health. Echinacea, another big health powerhouse. Here I just have some grapeseed oil, pretty standard. Now start by putting your herbs into the glass jar. A little goes a long way. You don't want to go overboard because it will clog your stopper and make it incredibly hard for you to use your oil. So just a few little pieces of the herb is plenty. And don't be afraid to use the little pieces that you drop on the counter, especially if it's just for yourself. I don't do that when I'm formulating for other people because it's not sanitary, technically, but I do it for myself in my own blends. Starting to get juicy. Here I selected 3 sunflower petals because 3 is my magic number. I love the number 3, the power of creativity and all that good stuff. We are almost ready. One more herb. And now we are ready to pour in our grapeseed oil. Do it very carefully because it will make a mess if you spill it, obviously, and oil is not easy to clean up. Wait a second. We have to add our essential oils before it's too full. Don't fill it to the top, put it to the side. We'll add the rest later.
Do I have to be down here? You get it. It's tangerine oil, Jesus.
So we're taking our first oil, our Miss Tangerine, and adding about 5 drops to start with. And then if you have to add more later, that's fine. Start out with a little amount and build up. You can always add, you cannot subtract. Lemon oil does tend to be a lot stronger than like a tangerine oil would. So just keep that in mind. We are almost ready. We're just gonna top it off with some more grapeseed oil, but first, a skin test to see if I like the scent.
It smells good.
It is important to test it on an area of your skin that's a little bit more sensitive, like the inner part of your wrist, just to make sure that you don't have any adverse reaction to the oils or the plant materials that you used in your blend. Everyone's skin is different, everyone has different allergies. A lot of people have a problem with citrus oils, however, I do not.
ASMR. Ooh, so soft.
As far as using the intention oils, they can be used as a body oil, a magically charged hair oil. They can also be used to anoint your candles. I use them in conjunction with my candle magic powders. I will anoint my candle before rolling it in the candle magic powder to kind of help it stick and to boost the energy around it. I'm sure you can find other ways of using these, blessing objects. Keep in mind though, when oil does dry down on like a non-skin surface, it does tend to get sticky, so just keep that in mind. And here are the first 4 Zodiac oils that are available in my Etsy shop right now. Go grab one. They were all charged under the Halloween blue moon, and they are all for different intents. So far I have Taurus, Libra, Scorpio, and Virgo. They didn't fit in my basket, so I had to improvise and use a cake pan, but you know, use what you have. So there you have it. That is how I make my Zodiac custom intention oils. Don't ask me for my recipes because I will not share them. my Zodiac oil specifically, those are a well-kept secret. I have been working on those formulations for years now, and they will be always mine. But if you would like one, they are available in my Etsy. The first four Zodiac signs are available. I will continue to make them available as time progresses, so you can always keep your eye out for those. Starting off with the first 4, those are my favorite ones that I have. I also really love my Leo oil. I have them all formulated already. I've made them all already beforehand. They are just now available to the public for the first time. I really debated a long time if I wanted to keep them for myself or share them with other people. I have chosen to make them available in my Etsy shop because I keep getting questions about them and when will they be available and if I will ever sell them, and now I do! So if you want to check them out in my Etsy, the link is in the description. Also, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, watching until the end. I appreciate you. You're my favorite. Don't tell anybody else. Thank you for being here. Until next time, I will spell you later.